Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something a bit weird, not something I'd normally do. I'm at my mum's for a couple of days, seeing the family for Christmas. I've just been out today to have a look at a couple of the sales, just some random stuff, and I saw this in Poundland, instant snow, blizzard in a can. I saw this before Christmas and it was £1 and it's 50p at the moment. So it's just going to be a really short video and we're just going to see how this works. I haven't got my tripod, so at the moment I am just like freely holding my phone. I'm going to do the same when I put the water and all that sort of stuff. So, blizzard in a can, all it says, so it says so easy to use. It just says open the can, add small amount of water, watch the snow grow. We're going to see. We're going to do a mini review. So I've already opened the little can. Like it had a little proper can lid. I opened it. I opened it to see, make sure the stuff that it says is in there is in there. So what we've got, if I empty it all out, I'll flip you guys around. So what we've got, so the can, we seem to have like the snow substance. And we have a little tiny spoon. Now on this can, as you can see, it doesn't tell you how much water. In any of the writing here, it doesn't tell you how much water. There are no instructions for how much water. So we're just gonna guess. I don't know how I'm gonna do this whilst trying to hold you guys. Like there's nothing to lean you up on. Like there, see that's where you could do with being. Can I lean you there? See, you can tell I'm so unprepared for this. Ah, there we are. Okay, so we're just going to open the little packet. And then I'm just going to dump it all in the can. Like this. And then I also have a little mini jug with a little bit of water in. We're just going to pour, I think, like the smallest amount in. Should we? Just a little bit. Say that. I don't know how long it takes to grow. Oh, it's already absorbed all that. Okay. A bit more maybe. Oh look, you can see it growing. Let me just try and use the spoon. Let me try and pop you back up again. I'm going to try and use the spoon. Just a little spoon, just to try and mix it a bit. It looks like it's getting like jellified. I'm just going to pour some more in. This is like the worst video I've ever done. But I haven't posted in a while and I'm not at home to be able to post. So I just poured that all in then. I don't really know what I'm doing. That might be too much. But it doesn't, I mean, on the side of the can, it's like overflowing. So I'll put it back down. Oops, that way, that's it. Like, how much am I supposed to do, guys? See, like now, am I supposed to do more? Will it grow more? Ooh. Feels really weird. It's almost like jelly-like, the way it moves. Oh no, I got snow everywhere. I'm going to see if I can put more in. I've just made a mess. We're not going to tell my mum, she's at work. Get some more water. Oh, I'm just going to add a little bit more in. Let's just fill the can. Oh, I think it's absorbed it all. That might be too much. It's really weird. Yeah, it's a bit too wet, I think. I don't think it'd absorb more than it can. It won't come out. Yeah, see, there's little dry bits there in places. Should we just put it out on the work? I'm just going to put it out on the worktop. Right. I think in here, it could do with some more. Oh, it's like jelly. It's really strange. It does mould just about. If I get some more water. Keep standing you guys up. There's the can. I think the problem is it doesn't specify how much water, so that's where I'm a bit worried. I'm like, how much is too much? Because I'm like, well, that looks like too much, but then you mix it up and it's not too bad. Yeah, it's like a jelly bath. Has anybody had as kids that stuff that's called jelly bath? I think it was. I think we'll just keep adding water. I can't see it going wrong necessarily. And then she adds way too much and that is wrong. I don't know, mind. Can you see it? I've just put loads in there. It's a bit liquidy. I'm going to try and add some more of this in. This is the strangest stuff ever. And it's just everywhere. I've just got it everywhere. Look at it. It's like... If I try and fold the other stuff that's not as wet in... This noise is like ASMR. So strange. It is cold as well. I wonder if you had warm water, if it'd still be as cold. It's so strange. I mean, it's not, I think I've definitely, maybe it's not got enough water to quite hold like a ball shape to be able to make like a snowman. No, it's sort of holding its shape, but it's still crumbly. So I don't know if that means it needs more water. I should have looked at another YouTube video. I think I might try and buy this stuff again. Anyway, so yeah, that's today's video. It's a bit weird. I think this stuff is quite cool for kids. I think it'd be quite a cool thing. It is somewhat like relaxing. It's a bit like, what's it called? Slime. It is very much, I think, like that, except messier because it breaks off into like all these tiny, tiny little pieces. But yeah, drop a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have tried this stuff, what you guys think of it, how your Christmas went, what you guys got for Christmas. I'd love to hear what you all got for Christmas, and I hope you all enjoyed, really. If you like this kind of thing, then give it a thumbs up, a snowy thumbs up. And if you like this sort of video and this sort of channel and me and whatever, then hit that subscribe button. And while you're there, check on the notifications. You get a notification every time I post. So I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.